I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a verified account, 2FA active, and the latest app installed. First, sign in and confirm email. This prevents lockouts later. Next, enable two-factor authentication and store recovery codes somewhere safe. Once done, grant only required permissions like camera or mic, and avoid blanket allow for contacts unless necessary. These first steps protect your content and make the rest of the setup fast and secure, so you can move into private gram configuration without repeating basic fixes. Now you configure privacy controls to match your goals and audience. Go to Privacy, choose Private or Custom Lists, and place contacts into groups. This reduces accidental exposure. Then set media and link sharing rules so only selected groups can forward or save your posts. Make sure to enable screenshot alerts or disable screenshots if available, and set message expiration times to control retention. These detailed settings build layered privacy, and they explain why one misconfigured toggle could undo everything you just set. Finish by validating your setup. Create a secondary account or ask a trusted person to confirm visibility and sharing behavior. Once verified, export or write down group lists and backup settings so you can restore them quickly. This prevents lengthy reconfiguration. If something goes wrong, immediately revoke active sessions, rotate any sharing keys or access tokens, and recheck group memberships. If problems persist, contact app support with logs. One key troubleshooting tip: always test changes before broad rollout to catch misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.